Hey there, Encappers. In today's episode of Encap TV, we're going to talk about niche building. How building a solid niche for your business can help you build a strong business that can weather anything. Stay tuned. So what do we mean when we talk about niche? Webster's defines a niche as a specialized market, and that's where we're going with this. Now, why is a specialized market particularly helpful when it comes to business? Well, you could take a broad approach. For example, cleaning. Cleaning can be a janitorial company that does office cleaning. Cleaning could be someone that does pressure washing. Cleaning could be someone that focuses on restaurant kitchen cleaning, hoods and so forth. It could be someone that does auto detailing. It could be a number of things. So what we want to do is find within our frame of what we want to do with our business a specific niche. What we're looking at is we want to find the customer that has a specific itch, and then we niche that itch. So what we want to do then is think about being a specialist. Now, if you were to go, for example, into Walmart, well, we see Walmart has pretty much everything from groceries to tires. Now, if you have the scope that Walmart has, if you have the resources to be Walmart, then go for it, be Walmart. Most of us, though, as small businesses, small entrepreneurs, find that that's not generally going to work for us. Even from a marketing and advertising standpoint, how do you market that? It's just too big to go for. So rather than being Walmart about it, look at narrowing what you want to offer down to things that you want to specialize in, things that you're good at, things that you see a market for. In other words, as Webster says, a specialized market. If you go to a doctor, well, a doctor, an MD, could be pretty much anything, from a general practitioner to a very finite specialist. Be a specialist, be that medical specialist. Rather than taking a shotgun approach, we want to come down more like a laser accuracy at what you can provide for your customers. I've found in business that being niche oriented has helped me to be successful. So find your niche and lock in at what you're good at. For example, when it comes to carpet cleaning, Encap cleaning is kind of a smaller spectrum. It's what we do here at Excellent Supply. We found that that's what we're good at. We know encapsulation, so that's kind of where we ground ourselves, is in encapsulation. You might want to go down the commercial only path or make that a significant marketing piece. What you can do, for example, even if you're a residential carpet cleaner, is set up a secondary business, even a secondary website that just gears for commercial. By presenting yourself as a commercial specialist, you really isolate yourself in that regard and make yourself the specialist, the go-to guy for commercial carpet cleaning. It could be low moisture cleaning, BLM cleaning. Any of these niches within the broader spectrum even of carpet cleaning set you apart. And as you set that niche apart and bring that to your customers, it adds value. That can be very powerful, particularly when we get into an economy that might be going sideways. But when you're the niche person, it helps you to hold your ground. Just as we talked about medical specialists command top dollar because they are the specialists, they're not the general practitioner. So rather than taking the broad approach, consider building a strong niche. Develop that in your marketing and in your approach to business, and it will help you to be more successful. That's what we try to do here at Excellent Supply. We build everything around encapsulation and helping people, particularly in that part of the business. We want to help you max your Encap. That's what we're all about. So anyways, I just hope that idea will help you to be more successful in your business. Thank you for watching. Please share your comments about your niche below. If you have any questions, comments, hit the like, the thumbs up button. We appreciate that too. And until next time, thanks for watching Encap TV.